stop. Before you order your next fast food meal, you need to watch this. Most people pick McDonald's or KFC out of pure habit. They don't actually know which one gives them more. More taste, more value, more food for their money. Today, we're settling this debate once and for all. I tested both chains, same day, same order sizes. And honestly, the results surprised even me. Stay until the end, because the winner isn't who most people think. McDonald's. Over 40,000 locations worldwide. The Big Mac, the fries, the Happy Meal, it's basically part of American culture at this point. KFC. Born in Kentucky. Colonel Sanders' secret 11 herbs and spices. The original fried chicken empire. Both have been fighting for your stomach and your wallet for decades. But in 2026, things have changed. Prices are up, menus have evolved, and customer expectations are higher than ever. So let's break this down, category by category, and find out who actually wins. Let's start with chicken, because this is where it gets personal. KFC's original recipe chicken. Crispy outside, juicy inside. That signature blend of herbs and spices hits different every single time. This is what KFC was built on, and in 2026, it still holds up. Now McDonald's. Their McNuggets are iconic. Consistent, crispy, dippable. The McSpicy sandwich has also been a solid hit. But here's the thing. McDonald's is a burger chain that also does chicken. KFC is a chicken chain, period. When you're comparing pure chicken